Next thing on this series of video on CapCut editing, a tutorial on CapCut video editing. Next thing we want to talk about is how to use stickers. Yes, how do you use stickers? You know what stickers are? Stickers are, for example, those little stuff that pops up in the video and says subscribe, subscribe, like, share, comment, and what have you. Those are stickers. How do you employ them on CapCut while you are doing your editing? Usually many people, especially on YouTube, when they want to uh, start the video, they introduce themselves, introduce the video, and then ask you, like a call to action, ask you to subscribe to the channel. Immediately they say, please subscribe to my channel, you see the something that just pops up, like a text and says subscribe, and then there's a little notification icon that's just beneath there and says tap on the notification button, so that blah 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 blah, like that. You want to also do that. How do you do that on CapCut? Now, depending on where you want that, that sticker to appear in the video, depending on where you want it to appear in the video, that's where you go to now impute the sticker that you intend to use. So immediately you see that thing, or maybe you are not seeing anything at all, regarding the particular sticker. You just want it to appear, on the video. So your choice, wherever you want it to appear, is where you now navigate to. So this part of the video is where you can navigate through. Let me show us here, like this part. You can just drag it left, right, left, right, left, right. That's how you navigate through your video while doing your editing on CapCut. That's another lesson that I've taught us now, how to navigate through your video. So you just drag that part left or right, then you'll be able to navigate through to whatever portion or section of the video that you want to go to. You can also drag fast, just be like this. You see the way it's fast now, like that. So then you navigate to the part where you want the sticker to appear. So for example, let's say I want it to appear, what I want to say will, or what I said came up in the 1 minute 54 seconds of the video, was when I said what I said. Okay, so let's say I say, please subscribe to my channel. Immediately I say that, the sticker will appear. But this is how you do it. You go to the place where you want it, you want the sticker to come up, just after or while you are saying, you are giving a call to action. Then you tap, you go to that place and let your video stay there, in that place there. I've already taught us how to navigate through to any section we want to get to in the video. So get to that section, and then you then go down to the options that you see here. You can see down, at the down points here. Let me show us. Down here, like this. These parts, like this. These are options that you can choose from depending on what you want to do. So now you navigate, drag and go to where you see stickers. Here is written stickers. Oh, okay. But you can see they just bring your eye down to the down part of the screen. You see stickers. You tap on stickers. Because my internet is not on, my network, my internet data is not on, is showing me no internet connection. So to access this feature, you need your data connection to be on. So now I go over and put on my my data, and then go and then tap on this button there that says retry. There's a circular button there that shows you. So you see, these are stickers that you can use depending on the one you want. There are the ones that are for free, there are the ones that are for paid. The ones you see pro just close to them there are the ones that are for paid, premium version. But the other ones that does not have any of such thing close to it at the top there that says pro, they are free. You can see this one, this share, you can see subscribe, you can see the one that says good, like a mark of good. Then there's the one that says, which one again, subscribe. Is another kind of sticker for subscribe. So when I say subscribe to my channel, what will appear depending on the one I use will be either this, sorry, will be either this or the other one here. So what I need to do now is to tap on the one that I want, tap on it, it loads, and then you can see now the sticker has now appeared on my video. So from here I can drag the sticker to wherever I want it to be in the video. Let's say I don't want it to be at the middle where it appeared just now. I want it to be at the downside here. This is where I want it to appear on the video. So I navigate through and then drag it to where I want it to be. When I'm done with that, I now tap on this button, the check button that says I'm good to go. This one here. So when I tap on it, voila, my sticker has been imputed the way I want it to be. So you can see on the screen, you can see this little this square that's around the sticker. I don't want it to appear. So what I need to do now is to tap on this place here, this part here. This is the window for the sticker. This is where you can do your own editing on the sticker. So I tap on it, it removes that little box that's around the sticker. When I tap on it again, the sticker becomes active. When I tap on it, it becomes inactive. I tap on it again, it becomes active. So what the essence of this is that you can now be able to edit this sticker. If it is inactive, I cannot move the sticker. You can see it. I can't move the sticker though I was able to move it before. But when I tap on it, when it becomes active, I can move the sticker. If you can see it, you can see that I can move it. It means that I can edit the sticker, whichever way I want it to be. So if it is, I want to add, for example, now when I tap on the sticker and it becomes inactive, you see that the options down on the screen here changes. The options changes. When I tap on it, it brings up options for me to edit the sticker. You see now, so all the options that you can see at the down here relates to this sticker, not the video, the sticker window. That's what it relates to. So I can drag the sticker to increase the duration in which the sticker will appear in the video. You can see it, I can drag it. So if the sticker should last 2 seconds before, because I've dragged it, it will now last, depending on where I dragged it to. If I want that sticker to remain in the whole of the video, I can just drag it, to the end, drag it to the beginning, and that sticker will remain there for the duration of the video. But for now, the way it is now is that once the sticker appears, when it appears, there's a particular time it will appear, and then there's also a particular time it will end. It will disappear from your view, the view of the video. So you either drag to the left or you drag to the right, depending on which part you want that sticker to appear on the video. So take note of that. Then again, another thing concerning stickers, you might want to, duplicate. You can split it, you can duplicate it, you can add animation, you can add mirror. Yet I usually do animations for my stickers. That animation is about how the sticker will come in and how it will go out, and how it will what's it called now, it will behave, in the duration in which it will be on your screen. Sometimes on your computer, if you are used to computers, you see that a particular option, or how will I put it now, um like a text, when the computer is asleep. Those of us who use desktop, when the computer is asleep, you see a particular text going up and down, like, it's bouncing, bam, 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 like that. That's animation. That's done with animation. With this option for animations, you can do that same thing with this your sticker. Your sticker will be going up and down like that, while the video is on, while it's on screen at that particular time. So let's see it. So I tap on animation just down here, one of the options at the down screen. I tap on animations. It brings up, that's because my data is on. If your data is not on, these ones will not appear. It will tell you to go and put on connection, connect your data. So now this is in. You can see the first option here says in. It means the way the sticker will be introduced, the way it will come, when it wants to appear in the video, the way it will come is in. So choose your animation. Here it says none, meaning that there's no animation currently. I've not applied any animation to it. So now whichever one I want, is it bounce? You see now, you see the sticker, the way it comes on, it comes up, it comes up like it's zooming out. Bounce in. There's also spring, there's fade in, there's mini zoom. You see that? A lot of options. I especially like this spin in one. The way it just spins like that. I love that one. So I usually use that one. Then depending on the one you want, so you go on and choose, select the one that you want. Then there's also the out option. The way the what's it called, the sticker will disappear from your screen. The way it will go out from your screen is what this one is about. So out. So tap on the out option and then choose whichever way that you want the sticker to go out of your screen while the video is on. So let's say you want it to bounce out. Depending on the one you want, or you want it to spring out, or you want it to slide right. You tap on it, so you see the way it goes. Or you want it to slide up. You see it now. So whichever one you want is your choice, your own choice. Then over to loop. This is the way it will be going about on the screen, while it is on play at that particular time. So choose whichever one that you want. So you see now, while the sticker is on, like I explained to you just now with your desktop, you see the text going up, going down, bouncing, like a spring. This is just something like that. So while the sticker is on, it will be behaving like that. It will be moving. The way you want it to move is the option that you now choose. So now let me say I want it to be scrolling up like that. So this one is not, it's not nice. I think I like this wiper. It grabs the attention of the one who's watching the video, and we want to make them to go and subscribe. So that's the whole idea, about all of this. So you want it to scroll left, like that, while the video is on. Depending on the one you want, But personally, I think I like this wiper. So whichever option you like, you choose. So when you are done with all of these, you now go on to tap on this check button, this good button at the bottom here. On the at the bottom, just look at it. You see animations, and then just be beside it at the right corner, you see a mark button like good. Tap on that button. When you tap on it, it means that all your, what's it called, your the options that you have chosen for animation has been applied. So let me play the video and see. So you see it comes up and then it begins to do wiping. You see it now like that. Then when it ends, you see the way it will leave. See that now? Very nice. So go ahead and apply for your own video, and you see the effect that it will be very good and nice. So thank you very much for watching this section. More videos are coming for other options, on how to edit your video using CapCut.